Hello guys, today we will try and understand the various cloud computing service models. The main cloud service models are IaaS, which is infrastructure as a service, PaaS, which is platform as a service, and SaaS, which is software as a service. If you have a look at this diagram, this shows the various elements an organizations might have to worry about. The major cloud service providers are your Amazon, Microsoft, or Google, or IBM. So in the first model, which is infrastructure as a service, let's understand the definition of that first. In infrastructure as a service model, the vendor provides clients pay-as-you-go access to storage, networking, servers, and other computing resources in the cloud. So this basically means that the client is offering you access to their hardware. So you don't have to worry about setting up servers, additional servers, or storage, or creating any network or the related infrastructure. So the client makes it possible for you to adopt virtualization, wherein if you need temporarily, for example, additional servers or additional PCs, the client makes it possible for you. So if we take an example, say you are an online marketplace, you sell various goods online, and your exceptionally busy period in the year is from October to December. You are busy rest of the year, but these 3 months, because of the festive season, you are exceptionally busy. Say it could be due to Christmas or New Year or Diwali, etc. These 3 months you need additional capacity. If you buy additional servers or additional PCs just for these 3 months, they might be underutilized rest of the year. This model, infrastructure as a service, makes it possible for you to not worry about that, to not worry about buying the additional hardware. You can, just for these 3 months, temporarily buy additional servers and PCs from your cloud service provider. And with virtualization, you can use their data centers to create servers or additional PCs. And when the festive period is over, you can remove those servers or PCs, basically. So you don't have to worry about the network or any other infrastructure. You don't have to worry about getting additional system administrators or additional space, electricity, etc. Now let's have a look at the next model, which is platform as a service. Let's have a look at the definition first. Platform as a service is a cloud computing offering that provides users with a cloud environment in which they can develop, manage, and deliver applications. In addition to storage and other computing resources, users are able to use a suite of pre-built tools to develop, customize, and test their own applications. So again, we have a look at this diagram. Let's take an example that you are a very huge software development company. In the platform as a service model, the service provider provides you not only the hardware, which is your additional servers or storage capacity, networking, and the virtualization, etc. It also provides you the tools to develop your applications, basically. So whether that is the operating system, middleware, or runtime. So your development team or your IT team only has to focus on developing or customizing your applications or testing them. The hardware, as well as all the tools required to develop the applications or test them, is already provided by the cloud service provider. You don't have to worry about any of the infrastructure. Now let's have a look at the third and the last model, which is software as a service. In this model, the service provider delivers software and applications through the internet. Users simply subscribe to the software and access it via the web. The prime examples of this are your Microsoft Office 365 or DocuSign. So here you do not, the cloud service provider actually has launched the application All you need is an internet connection to log in and access that application and use it. So you have the Microsoft Office 365. If you do not have that, you would have to individually download or install Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, etc. With this model, you do not have to download any of those applications. You simply need your Hotmail account. You log in and you are able to access all the full Microsoft Office applications, whether they are Word or Excel or PowerPoint. All you need is an internet connection and your login ID. So I hope these three models are more clear to you now: infrastructure as a service, platform as a service, and software as a service. Thank you very much.